Hello, I'm at CMT Stuttgart, the second largest trade event for motorhomes and campervans. I'm going to show you this thing here, the V635 EB from EuraMobil. It's a rather more expensive campervan than the ones you normally get. This thing here, you're looking at, I kid you not, 88,000 euros, 636 centimeters in length. Now, what's the difference between this and the one costing 30,000 euros less? Well, to be quite honest, it's all cosmetic only. When you get something like this, I think the first thing one you buy is the one which is available, which is near you. If you're buying something new, some event like this, then you've got such a huge choice. It'd be very difficult to know where to start. And to be quite honest, I don't know how people actually do buy it. Now, one of these cosmetic features is this really nice kitchen block, and with this drying tray here, this deep sink molded with a domestic plug drainage on it. That's coming at this end. We've got storage in here. Maybe it's not particularly big, but you can keep your sandals in there maybe, and they can keep some bottles in there. The upholstery is another feature. The front bench pointed forward, well, to be quite honest, it might look a bit flashier than most of them, but is it really? That would have to be the question. You've got very nice indirect lighting, got a waste of space down here, but you've got the indirect lighting for it. We've got the fridge over here, which, that's tough to open, but all campervans you'll find have a fridge. The kitchen block, again, it's no, this one is broken. Just have to screw the thing on if it's around anywhere, so it's not, that's easily repairable. See, things like this may look nice with the glass and the lighting, but I don't know, is it practical? Again, this cosmetic items like this, again, is it practical? They have put this ledge down here, which might look good, but in practice it's not much use. It would have been better had they continued the storage compartment right to the bottom. And I can't open that at all. Let's see if I can open this one. Oh yeah, I can manage that. I'm just getting weak of its old age. That's the problem. Window at either side. We've got windows in the door. The windows in the back of the door will open, though then again they will do in vehicles costing 30,000 less as well, even 40,000 less in some cases. Have a look at this, see if this is any good. Not much space in there. Let's have a look in there. And so we've even got the corner bits not being used. We've got, okay, the corner there, you can sort of use them for storing things at night. Maybe it would be better if it had something, a place to charge your electronic devices up from. Now, this is this two joinable singles, and that's what it looks like underneath. So you're getting this Frovey system for the extra 30,000 plus. This clearly will fit down here. That's a plate to put that to fit down there. You can lash using these buckles. That will join up here. I mean, that does look a little bit better. Whether or not it's worth 30,000 extra is something else. Note you've also got the lights at either side as well. That is some extra feature. I like this music. Let it play. So as I do traditionally, when the music comes on to open the event, I like to go out for a little bit of a walk. And anyway, good. So I was then discussing, is it worth getting a really posh Fiat Ducato camper van, paying all this money extra? These ones here, manufactured in the same factory, possibly by the same people, are costing 30,000 less. It would be unfair to actually, unless I have to go compare, of course, like to like. There you go, 63,000, and this is a special model. Another brand owned by the same company is Mobil Design, and they have an expensive Fiat Ducato camper van. It's very attractive inside, and I'll give you a link to it below. But they are, as I say, made in the same point. Now, I believe you're coming for a camper van, you take, first of all, what's available, what you're aware of, and if you come here, you're going to get totally confused as to what to do. Anyway, I shall take you now back to the one I was discussing, having shown you some of the other vehicles that are here. And there you go, V635 EB from EuraMobil. I don't know how the price can be justified for what's internally, but I do understand the reason for a higher price, and that's to make out that it's a much better vehicle. But to be quite honest, I honestly don't think it is. You can buy a Roller Team, or you can buy a Carmann Mobil for nearly 40,000 less, and it's just the same vehicle. Thanks for watching.